Inspired or desperate? Let us see how we can know whether we are inspired or desperate and how it will help us in personal growth. I'm going to tell you a story. This story is actually a small incident at the construction site. The supervisor of this construction site was at the ground level and he was busy on his phone. While he was talking to the phone, right from above, there was this trolley which was coming down towards him. And there was one guy on the first floor. He found that this supervisor is standing right below it. So he started screaming and wanting to warn him about this danger. But this gentleman was so consumed in this call that he didn't notice a warning. Now this person who was watching from the top got so scared. So what he did is there was a rock and he just pelted that rock on the supervisor. And when he was hit by the rock, he was so upset and he was so upset and agitated and he looked angrily towards this man. And at the same time, he could hear the sound of the trolley, immediately moved to the side. Now, this small incident is something that we can relate in our life. Now, the person who is engrossed and consumed on the call represents us. We are so consumed and engrossed in living our day-to-day life. This person on the first floor who was giving signs and warnings about the danger is our life, which is giving us signs and warnings about a potential danger that you might get hit by. And of course, the trolley is huge damage or fatality that you may experience. Friends, life is all the time warning us by giving subtle signs in the form of bodily pain, in the form of small failures for students in the examinations, or in the form of the memos or warnings given by our bosses. So when you are hit by the larger danger, you get so desperate. So people who discover they have diabetes, or people who get to know that the relationship is going to end, or students who get to know that they have not prepared for the examination are suddenly desperate to take actions. So friends, when you are desperate to take actions, it causes a lot of trauma to that person. Instead, can we be inspired? Now, what do you mean to be when I say inspired? When you are in good company, when you are surrounded by successful people, when you have habits like reading books, when you have habits like listening to great people's podcasts, when you have habit of gratitude, have habit of looking for goodness around you, you are always going to be inspired to take action towards your goal. And if you keep taking actions and when you get these tiny successes, you will be inspired to even better. So friends, you can get desperate due to a crisis in your life, or you can be inspired by listening to successful people and by cultivating good habits. Choice is yours, whether you want to be inspired or you want to be desperate. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Darshana signing off.